Hello traders, welcome to another update on the indicators, the one candlestick strategy indicators, the zone indicators, right? Now, this strategy here I've shown you guys on the channel for a very long time, right? Very long time. And I believe that you guys who have been following, you are actually getting some results. And remember guys, as I show you all this information, don't take it as financial advice, all right? Do your own research. But for most of the people who have actually taken action and practiced the strategy, they are seeing some results. So the indicators, just giving you an update for what's going on for now. I've turned on the weekly zone, which is this blue box here. The purple zone is the daily tradable zone, and then the smaller green one is the 4-hour tradable zone right here. I am also doing an update to include the buy and sell arrows within the tradable zones to make it easier for you to use them in the future. So if you buy the indicator and have it in your possession, you will get that update free of charge in the coming days. All right, so let's just go through some of the pairs. So this is EURCAD. I shared this on the free Telegram also, right? I shared this as a setup on the free Telegram. So you can see that the market pulled back inside of the weekly tradable zone to give some swing trading setups here. And then also it pulled inside the daily tradable zone, which is this purple zone, and then it is giving some selling setups, and also on the 4-hour. So all these three zones are showing a sell pattern. Let's go and look at some other pairs. Let's look at like GBPUSD. Remember that this strategy may not work all the time, all right? So you have to also do your own research and make sure you are trading accordingly, right? So when you look at how it is drawing the zones, for example, on GBPUSD here, we see that it drew this weekly zone, which it has held for 3 weeks now. This is the first week here, second week, and now it's the third week, still maintaining the same zone. This is a swing trading setup from this blue zone right here. You can see if you got some setups right here, you would be able to swing these trades. All right, so currently it is showing the daily that the market has pulled back inside of it, and also inside of the 4-hour. Like if I turn off the weekly and the daily, you'll see that the 4-hour, it has turned into the 4-hour and is giving potential sells, right? So when we also go and look at some other pairs, like for example, if we look at gold, you can see for gold, market also for gold has been ranging within this weekly zone right here. And now on the daily, if I turn off the weekly, we can see on the daily, it has pulled back inside of the daily tradable zone right here, and it is potentially going to continue going up from here. All right, so let's turn back the weekly and then we look at other pairs. For example, let's look at AJPY. The market pulled back inside of this weekly zone, and it has maintained it for this whole week. You can see this was a swing trading setup. I also shared this in the VIP signals channel for the members who are there, and this trade has been really rocketing higher and higher, right? It didn't pull inside of the daily right here, so the daily did give us a good setup. And also you can see that this indicator right here, which is the sentiment indicator, it also indicates that the market is in a strong uptrend. You can see it's a strong buyers, right? 72% buyers, right? So you can use this indicator and the zones indicator in combination to get a good market direction, right? So let's look at also some pairs like GBPUSD randomly, just so that we have some context.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Matthew Odong's channel for more great content.
You can see that this indicator, the sentiment indicator, shows that strong sellers, right? And you can see that the market is actually going down. Now when you look at this one also, it gave swing trades from this blue zone here on the weekly chart. That's a swing trading zone where you could get short positions. And then also it is updating on the daily. It pulled back slightly into the daily tradable zone right here and then started selling off. Also on the 4-hour, it has pulled back inside of the 4-hour. If you go on the 5-minute, you can see that it pulled back inside of the 4-hour and it's giving those continuous sells, right? Let's see if we can get another pair randomly to look at. Let's look at GBPJPY just randomly. You can see GBPJPY also the same thing. Market has moved away from the weekly tradable zone, giving those swing setups, and it is continuously making the climb. But here, this one says moderate buyers. All right, So remember that these updates, once I make the updates, I am currently still testing the arrows. These arrows you're seeing here are just in testing phase. When I'm done with them, I'll incorporate them into the indicator so that it can give you much better setups, right? So guys, if you are not in line or in sync with this trading strategy, you could be missing out on some of the setups that you could get into, right? Remember that these tools are here to just help you with your technical analysis. Don't take every setup that you see me show here, because this is not financial advice, all right? These indicators are just tools to help you in your own technical analysis, right? Let's just look at one last one, which is EuroGBP. Let's look at it and then we see how it is doing at the moment. Okay, so you can see for EuroGBP also, here it says strong sellers on this sentiment indicator. You can see it shows strong sellers. And as you can see here, that the market pulled inside of this weekly zone, which is this blue zone here, and then started giving us the swing trades, right? You can hold these trades for 1, 2, 3 days now, and this would be a good swing trade. You can see also pulled inside of the tradable zone for today. You can see that purple zone there is a tradable zone for today. And then also this 4-hour was here when I sent out a setup on Telegram. All right. So guys, also, if you want to trade with a broker that allows you to enjoy very good spreads, you can go and use HFM. HFM is a broker I've been using for quite some time. And to be honest, guys, they have the best trading conditions. Trust me, they do have the best trading conditions. Their withdrawal times are less than 10 minutes. You can withdraw your money in less than 10 minutes, depending on which method you choose. But if you're in Africa, you can withdraw your money in 10 minutes and it will be on your account, right? They give a 1 to 2,000 leverage, ultra fast execution, quick deposits and withdrawals, and swap free accounts. For us who are swing trading, these swap free accounts are very, very important, because when you're holding trades for many days, you don't want to be holding trades and accumulating swap fees, right? So HFM is the best broker that you can get started with, right? They have so many account types that you can get started with. Even beginners with a low budget can get involved with HFM and start trading. They have a cent account, they have a zero spread account, they have a pro account, premium and pro plus. So you can just get involved with HFM today using the link that I'm leaving in the description of the video and start trading professionally today. So guys, that is the update I wanted to give you. If you want to get access to the indicators, all the links will be in the description of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.